Hello friends, I'm Riyad Hussain. In this video, I am going to show you about MOSFET and types of MOSFET. So let's start. MOSFET. The elaboration of MOSFET is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Usually, MOSFET is widely used for switching and amplifying electronic signals in the electronic devices. If we want to amplify or switch a signal from a device to another device or from a signal to another signal, we can use MOSFET. MOSFET is a core integrated circuit and it can be designed and fabricated in a single chip. That is mean we can design it, we can fabricate it in a very single chip because it is core integrated and it is very small in size. MOSFET is 4-terminal device. MOSFET have 4 terminals, that is named. One is source, second one is gate, third one is drain, and fourth one is body. Basic configuration of MOSFET. In this picture, you can see the configuration of MOSFET contains source, gate, drain, and body. Let's see the properties of MOSFET. The MOSFET can function in two ways. We can function a MOSFET in two ways. One is depletion mode and another one is enhancement mode. Let's see the depletion mode. What is depletion mode? Depletion mode, when there is no voltage on the gate, the channel shows its maximum conductance. That means if there is no voltage in the gate, our channel will be conductive more, not more, it is maximum. As the voltage on the gate is either positive or negative, the channel conductively decrease. If we put, that is means if we put negative, either negative or positive voltage on the gate, it will consistently decrease the conductance. DMOSFET cell bias. Let's see the DMOSFET cell bias. It is the picture of cell bias of DMOSFET. Nothing to show much. Here is IDS. It is mentioned IDSS is equal to 8 milliampere and PP is equal to minus 8 volt. It is commonly used for calculations. Let's see how determine the Q point for DMOSFET self bias. This is the picture showing this process. Here the black line, here this black line for the load line and the blue line is for the saturation point. When the load line and the saturation line meets, this is called operating point or the Q point. Here you can see that according to the graph, it is Q point and it is on VGS to BP is VGSQ is equal to minus 4.3 volt, and on the other hand is IDQ stands 1.3 milliampere. Let's see the properties of another properties is enhancement mode. What is enhancement mode? Enhancement mode, when there is no voltage on the gate, the device doesn't conduct. In this mode, if we don't put any voltage on the gate, the MOSFET will not conduct. More is the voltage on the gate, the better the device can conduct. Here we can see that it is vice versa to the depletion mode. If we put the voltage on depletion mode, it will not conduct, but in enhancement mode, if we put the voltage on gate, it will conduct, and if we increase our input volt, it will increase the conduction. And this is the picture of enhancement mode. Left hand on my left is N channel and the right side is P channel. The feedback bias is stands like this, not more, not is necessary much. This is most necessary for us. Here you can see this picture also vice versa of opposite of depletion mode. Here we can see that the saturation line and load line meets in Q point. This thing is same to the depletion mode. Let's see the working principle of MOSFET. The aim of MOSFET is to be able to control the voltage and current flow between the source and drain. It is very important point. It works almost as a switch. It usually almost works as a switch. The working of MOSFET depends upon the MOS capacitor. I think you all know about MOS capacitor. The MOSFET depends, the working capacity of MOSFET depends on MOS capacitor. The MOS capacitor is the main part of MOSFET. It is the main part of MOSFET. The semiconductor surface at the below oxide layer, which is located between source and drain terminal, it can be inverted. I will show this where oxide is located. It can be inverted from. We can invert this oxide layer in two ways, from p-type and another one is n-type, by applying a positive or negative gate voltage respectively. If we apply a positive, either a positive or negative voltage on the gate, we can invert it from p-type and n-type. Let's see how a MOSFET works in details with a video. Structure of MOSFET. There are two main types of MOSFET, is N-channel and P-channel. In N-channel, current flows due to the flow of electrons. It is made of p-type drop silicon substrate. All of you please watch this video. It is also known as IGFET, is insulated gate field effect transistor. It is showing the formation, what is source, what is gate and what is drain. It is showing the formation of whole MOSFET. Here you can see the N channel and P channel, the symbolic structure of MOSFET. This picture is showing MOSFET as a switch. When MOSFET works as switch, it looks like that. After that, we can see that MOSFET as amplifier. If MOSFET works as an amplifier, it looks like this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like on this video and keep sharing to spread the knowledge to others. Thank you.